Most homeowners ignore simple maintenance tasks until something breaks and costs them hundreds or even thousands of dollars. A clogged dryer vent can become a fire hazard. A leaking toilet can quietly waste money every single month. A small crack in shower caulking can allow water damage to build behind the walls where you can't even see it. And the worst part is, many of these problems start small and give warning signs people simply miss. The good news, most of these issues are easy to prevent with a few minutes of maintenance. Today, I'll show you 10 home maintenance tips every homeowner should know to help save money, prevent repairs, improve safety, and keep your home running smoothly. Stay until the end, because tip number 10 is the simplest of all, but it can save you the most money long term. Quick note, this video is for general educational purposes only. Use common sense, follow safety precautions, and call a professional anytime a project is beyond your comfort level. Number 1, clean your dryer vent. Most people clean the lint trap inside the dryer, but forget the vent hose and exhaust line behind the machine. Over time, lint builds up inside the hidden ductwork. This restricts airflow, makes clothes take longer to dry, increases energy use, and can become a serious fire risk. Most people know to clean the lint screen after each load, but many forget that lint also escapes into the vent hose over time. If airflow is restricted, your dryer has to run longer, work harder, and create more heat. Common warning signs are clothes taking longer to dry, the dryer feeling unusually hot, or you get a musty smell. That's your sign it needs attention. Here's what to do. Unplug the dryer first. Carefully pull it forward, disconnect the vent hose, then vacuum lint from the hose, the dryer outlet, and the wall connection. For deeper cleaning, use an inexpensive dryer vent brush kit. Doing this once or twice a year can improve safety and efficiency right away. Number 2, check for silent toilet leaks. A toilet can leak water from the tank into the bowl without making noise or leaving water on the floor. That slow leak can waste a surprising amount of water and quietly increase your utility bill month after month. The easy test, add a few drops of food coloring into the toilet tank. Wait about 15 to 20 minutes without flushing. If color appears in the bowl, the toilet is leaking. Usually, the cause is a worn rubber flapper or seal inside the tank, which is inexpensive and easy to replace. Simple fix, real savings. Number 3, know your main water shutoff valve. If a pipe bursts or a hose suddenly fails, water damage can happen fast. Every minute counts during an emergency, yet many homeowners don't know where the main water shutoff valve is until they need it. Take a few minutes today and locate it. It's often in the basement, utility room, garage, or near where the main water line enters the house. Show everyone in the home where it is. Also, if the valves feel stiff or hasn't been touched in years, don't force it aggressively. The goal today is simply to locate it and understand how it works before a real emergency happens. Preparation beats panic every single time. Knowing this one thing ahead of time can prevent major flooding and expensive repairs. Number 4, replace your HVAC or furnace filter. Your furnace or HVAC filter traps dust, dirt, pollen, and debris before it circulates throughout your home. When the filter gets clogged, airflow drops, your system works harder, efficiency decreases, and indoor air quality can suffer. If you have pets, allergies, or live in a dusty area, filters may clog faster than you think. A neglected filter can also make some rooms feel hotter or colder because airflow becomes weaker. This is one of the easiest maintenance tasks in the entire house and one of the most overlooked. How to do it? Turn your system off. Remove the old filter. Check the size printed on the filter itself or on the frame of the installation. Install a new filter with the airflow arrow facing the correct direction. Check monthly and replace every 2 to 3 months depending on usage. Small task, big impact. Number 5, flush your water heater. If you have a traditional water tank, sediment and minerals can collect at the bottom over time. That buildup can reduce heating efficiency, create popping noises, and shorten the lifespan of the unit. If your hot water seems inconsistent, runs out faster than before, or the tank makes rumbling or popping sounds, sediment buildup may be part of the problem. Even flushing a small amount periodically can help reduce buildup. Check your manufacturer recommendations for best intervals. How to maintain it. Turn off the power of the unit first or set gas models to pilot mode. Attach a garden hose to the drain valve near the bottom. Run the hose to a safe drain area. Open the valve carefully and let water flush until it runs clear. Then close the valve and refill the tank before restoring power. If you're unsure, hire a plumber, but a regular flushing can help extend the life of any water heater. Number 6, clean your gutters. Gutters are designed to move rainwater safely away from your roof and foundation. When they clog with leaves and debris, water can overflow behind them, damaging wood trim, stained siding, or pool near the foundation. Another thing many people forget is checking gutters after storms. Branches, seeds, and roof grit can collect quickly. If water spills over the edge during rain instead of flowing through the downspout, that's a clear sign cleaning is way overdue. Use a stable ladder safely. Wear gloves, scoop debris into a bucket, then rinse with a garden hose. Also, make sure downspouts flow freely and direct water away from the house. This is especially important in spring and fall. Number 7, lubricate your garage door. Garage doors are heavy systems with many moving parts, a lot of them metal. Without lubrication, hinges, rollers, bearings, and springs can dry out, become noisy, wear faster, and put more strain on the opener. If your garage door has become louder over the years, squeaks, jerks, or sounds strained, dry moving parts are often the cause. Regular lubrication can help improve operation immediately. With the door closed, apply white lithium grease or a garage door lubricant to the hinges, springs, bearings, and roller shafts. Open and close the door a few times to distribute the lubricant evenly. Avoid heavily spraying the tracks. Just clean them. Just be careful around springs and never attempt major spring repairs yourself. A few minutes of maintenance can make the door quieter and smoother immediately. Number 8. Inspect shower caulking. Caulking around tubs and showers seals water out of gaps where surfaces meet. When it cracks, peels, or gets moldy, moisture can creep behind walls or floors and create hidden damage over time. Pay special attention to corners, the base of the shower, and where the tub meets the walls. These are the areas that usually fail first. Inspect corners and seams regularly. If needed, remove old damaged caulk with a scraper. Clean and dry the surface thoroughly, make sure that it's fully dry, then apply a fresh bathroom silicone caulk in a smooth continuous bead. Fresh caulking not only protects against leaks, it also makes the bathroom look cleaner and newer. Cheap fix now, expensive repair avoided later. Number 9, clear bathroom drains. Bathroom drains slowly collect hair, soap residue, toothpaste, and grime. Usually it starts with slow draining water, then one day you have a full clog. Preventative maintenance is much easier than dealing with backups. Use a simple drain tool or a hook to remove any visible hair. Flush with warm or hot water. You can also use an enzyme drain cleaner periodically for maintenance. A simple hair catcher over the drain can also dramatically reduce buildup and future clogs. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. Sometimes the best maintenance, is preventing the mess before it starts. Doing this monthly keeps water flowing properly as well. Tip number 10, create a home maintenance calendar. This might be the easiest tip of all and the most valuable long term. The reason maintenance gets ignored usually isn't laziness. People simply forget. Use your phone calendar and set reminders for recurring tasks. Monthly, for example, check your HVAC filter. Every 6 months, check your detectors, your smoke detectors, and garage door lubrication. Spring and fall, check your gutters and your dryer vent. Yearly, do a water heater flush and caulking inspection. Set it once and your phone does the remembering for you. That's how a smart homeowner stays ahead of expensive repairs. If you liked this tutorial, my channel is built around practical videos that help make life every day easier for you. You'll also find home maintenance tips, cleaning guides, car care tutorials, detailing advice, DIY projects, and honest product reviews. So if you enjoy learning useful skills to save time and money, make sure to stay connected. I'll link more helpful videos in the description under this video, and on your screen right now, you'll see 2 videos I highly recommend next. Click one now and keep learning and going. Thanks for watching, and in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.